Hello student, today I am going to solve NIS 320 Accountancy solved question paper of February 2021. This question paper consists of 32 questions. Section A has 22 questions and section B has 5 plus 5 questions. Attempt all questions of section B and attempt all questions of any one option from section B. Maximum marks is 100 and passing marks is 30 only. Time duration is 3 hours. From question 1 to 9 has 4 options. Choose any one correct answer. Section A 1. In the absence of partnership deed, the profit sharing ratio among the partners will be B. Equal ratio. 2. Goods in hand at the end of the year is called C. Closing stock. 3. Out of the following, which is the cause of depreciation? A. Normal wear and tear. 4. Amount received as premium on issue of the shares can be used for D. All of the above. 5. The part of the authorized capital which the company offers the public is called D. Issued capital. 6. A company purchased building worth rupees 99 lakh. The purchase consideration was agreed to be paid by equity share rupees 1000 each, issued at a discount of 10%. The number of shares issued by the company will be C. 11,000. 7. Out of the following, which is not a provision? C. Sinking fund. 8. Single entry system is not suitable for C. A limited company. 9. A, B and C are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio 2:2:1. C retires. The new profit sharing ratio between A and B will be B 1:1. 10. Give meaning of the following terms. A. Subscription. B. Honorarium. C. Specific donation. Subscriptions. It is regular payment made by the members to the organization. It is generally contributed annually. It is one of the main sources of income. Subscription received during the year are shown on the debit side, that is receipt side, of the receipt and payment account. Apart from amount for current year, it may include amount pertaining to previous year or advance payment for next year's. Honorarium. It is the amount paid to the person who looks after the functioning of the organization but is not the employee of the company. Specific donation. It is a donation received for a specific purpose. Example of such donation are donation for library, donation for building, etc. 11. Why profit and loss appropriation account is prepared? State also pass the journal entry for transfer of interest on drawings and net loss to profit and loss appropriation account. All adjustments such as partner's salary, partner's commission, interest on capital, interest on drawing, etc. are made through this account. For interest on drawings. For transfer of the balance of profit and loss account to profit and loss appropriation account. 12. Ram, Rahim and Mohan were partners in a firm, sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 7:6:7. Rahim retired and his share was divided equally between Ram and Mohan. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio of Ram and Mohan. Pause the video and see the answer. Question number 13. State any 5 uses of single entry system. 1. Simple method. 2. Less expensive. 3. Suitable for small concern. 4. No need of knowledge of principles of bookkeeping. 5. Easy to ascertain profit or loss. 14. On April 1, 2014, a company purchased machinery worth rupees 1 lakh. On October 1, 2016, it purchased additional machinery rupees 20,000 and spent rupees 2,000 on its erection. The account are closed each year on March 31, assuming the annual depreciation is to be charged at the rate 10% per annum. So the machinery account for 5 years under straight line method. Pause the video and see the answer. 15. State any 5 conditions when the court may order a partnership firm to be dissolved. A court may order a partnership firm to be dissolved in the following cases. A. When a partner becomes of unsound mind. B. when a partner becomes permanently incapable of performing his or her duties as a partner. C. When partner deliberately and consistently commits breach of agreements relating to the management of the firm. D. When a partner's conduct is likely to adversely affect the business of the firm. E. When a partner transfers his or her interest in the firm to a third party. 16. A, B, and C are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3 is to 2 is to 1. B retires and on the date goodwill of the firm is valued at rupees 19,000. Goodwill is already appearing in the books of the firm at rupees 48,000. New profit sharing ratio of A and C is 3 is to 2. Pass necessary journal entries to record the goodwill in the book of the firm at the time of B retirement. Pause the video and see the answer. 17. Define company. Explain any four characteristics of the company. A company is a voluntary association of individuals formed to carry on business to earn profit or for non-profit purposes. This person contribute towards the capital by buying its share in which it is divided. A company is an association of individuals incorporated as a company possessing a common capital, that is share capital contributed by the members comprising it for the purpose of employing it in some businesses to earn profit. Characteristics of a company. A1. Artificial legal person. 2. Incorporated body. 3. Capital divisible into share. 4. Transferability of shares. 18. A company issued 2 lakh share of rupees 10 each at a premium of rupees per share payable as follows. On application rupees 4 including rupees 2 premium per share. On allotment rupees 8 including rupees 3 premium per share. On call rupees 3 per share. Applications were received for 2 lakh shares and allotment was made to all past necessary journal entries in the books of the company. Calculation was made on 1 lakh shares. 19. Asian Co Limited forfeited 200 shares of rupees 10 each originally issued at a premium of rupees 4 per share to be received at the time of allotment. Ramesh, the holder of this share, paid rupees 3 per share on application but failed to pay the allotment money of rupees 7 per share including premium and call money of rupees 4 per share. Make necessary journal entries for the forfeiture and reissue of these shares if shares are A. Reissued at rupees 10 per share, B. Reissued at rupees 8 per share, C. Reissued at rupees 12 per share. Pause the video and see the answer. 20. R Limited invited application for 2 lakh 9% debenture rupees 500 each on 1st June 2017 at a premium of 10% payable rupees 200 on application and balance on allotment. Applications were received for 3 lakh 9% debenture and the allotment was made on pro rata basis. Excess debenture application money received was adjusted towards allotment. The remaining money due on allotment was received. Pass necessary journal entries regarding issue of debentures in the books of the company. Write 9% in place of 8%. 21. From the following trial balance of Mr. Aman, prepare trading and profit and loss account for the year ending 31st March 2019 and balance sheet as on that date. The following adjustments are to be made. A. Stock on 31st March 2019 was rupees 64,480. B. Half the amount of X bill is irrecoverable. C. Create a provision of 5% on other debtors. D. Wages included rupees 600 for erection of new machineries. E. Depreciate machinery by 5% and furniture by 10%. F. Commission includes rupees 300 being commission received in advance. Pause the video and see the answer. 21 or A. How would the following items will be shown in income and expenditure account? 1. Rent paid in the current year rupees 1000. 2. rent due in current year rupees 200. 3. Rent paid last year for this year rupees 300. 4. Rent due for last year paid in this year rupees 500. 5. Advance rent paid for next year in this year rupees 400. B. Calculate the amount of subscription to be shown in income and expenditure account from the following information for the year ended 31st March 2013. 1. Subscription received during 2013 rupees 10,000. 2. Subscription due for 2012 received in 2013 rupees 2,000. 3. Subscription received in 2012 for 2013 rupees 400. 4. Subscription received in 2013 for 2014 rupees 600. 5. Subscription due for 2013 rupees 1000. Pause the video and see the answer. 22. The balance sheet of Suneet, Gaurav and Rohini as on 31st March 2019 was as under who were sharing profit in the ratio of their capitals. Balance sheet of Suneet, Gaurav and Rohini as on 31st March 2019. On the above date, Gaurav retired from the firm and following adjustments were made. A. Building be appreciated by 20%. B. Provision for bad debt is to increase to 5% on debitor. C. Value of stock is appreciated by rupees 500. D. Machinery be depreciated by 10%. E. Goodwill of the firm is valued at rupees 56,000 and the retiring partner's share is adjusted. F. The capital of the new firm is rupees 1,16,000. Prepare revaluation account, capital account of the partners. Pause the video and see the answer. (22) Or A, B and C were partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 2:2:1. They decided to dissolve the firm on 31st March 2019. On that date, the balance sheet was as follows. The following additional information is given. A. A agreed to take over stock at rupees 18,000 and also agreed to pay Mrs. A's loan. B. B agreed to take half the debtors for rupees 14,000. C. C agreed to take half of the investment at rupees 15,000. D. Remaining debitor released rupees 10,000 and investments rupees 12,000. E. The other assets realized as follows: furnitures rupees 10,000, machinery rupees 20,000 and land rupees 19,000. F. Creditors and bills payable were paid rupees 30,000 in full settlement. G. Realization expenses were rupees 2,000. Prepare realization account. Pause the video and see the answer. Section B, option 1, 23. What is measured by quick ratio? The quick ratio measures a company's capacity to pay its current liabilities without needing to sell its inventory. 24. State why are the following parties interested in analysis of financial statements? A. Tax authorities. B. Trade unions. C. Employees. Tax authorities are interested in financial statements for determining the tax liability. Trade unions, they are interested in financial statements for negotiating the wages or salaries or bonus agreement with the management. Employees, they are interested to know the growth of profit, as a result of which they can demand better remuneration and congenial working environment. 25A. Liquid ratio of X Limited is 7:3. Its stock is rupees 25,000 and current liabilities are rupees 75,000. Calculate current ratio. B. Current liabilities of a company are rupees 5,60,000 and its current ratio is 5:2 and its quick ratio 2:1. Calculate the value of stock. Pause the video and see the answer. Pause the video and see the answer. 26. Prepare cash flow statement on the basis of the information given in the balance sheet of MR Limited as of 31st March 2019 and 31st March 2018. Pause the video and see the answer. 27. From the following balance sheet of ABC Limited as on 31st March 2014 and 2013, Prepare common size balance sheet. Pause the video and see the answer. Option 2, 23. Define the lens view of spreadsheet. Lens view. Spreadsheet allows the user to view and concentrate on a limited number of rows and columns to work with. 24. Explain common functions in Excel. Sum, average, mean. Max, count. 25. What is graph? Explain in brief the elements of graph. Graph and charts are pictorial representation of data which has at least two-dimensional relationship. 1. The chart area. 2. The plot area. 3. The data points. 4. The horizontal and vertical axis. 5. The legend. 6. A chart and axis title. 7. A data level. 26. What is meant by payroll accounting? Explain the elements used in payroll calculation. Payroll is an accounting statement that is meant to show the salary payable to each employee by providing detail of the gross salary, various amount of deductions, and finally net amount payable to such employee. Element used in payroll: basic pay earned, dearness allowance, transport allowance, total earning, provident fund, tax deduction at sources, recovery of loan installments, total deduction, number of effective days present. 27. What is meant by database? How forms are created in Microsoft Access. Pause the video and see the answer.